One day, an RFP crossed my desk from a company asking for help tearing down the walls separating its many information silos. It came from a large, regional, regulated company that knew it was spending more time, money, and effort to work with its information than it had to. But thanks to the size and culture of the place, it just couldn't figure out how or where to get started. So we pulled out our trusty MaxTV Information Governance Maturity and Implementation Model, and we went to work. This model, by the way, is the cornerstone of what's become the ARMA IGIM, as we published big pieces of it as open source material back in the day. Anyhow, we used our MaxTV framework to underpin a multi-phase piece of work that included the delivery of 4 things. A current state analysis report, in which we interviewed all kinds of people about their information practices, we reviewed their policies, procedures, and systems, and we identified the areas of greatest priority. Second, we delivered an information governance program to establish IG as a core competency on both the business and technology sides of the house. There was a future state recommendations report that described the key operational, technical, and internal cultural initiatives required to achieve particular predefined results in 3 to 5 years. And finally, we made recommendations for program automation that addressed business, functional, and technology requirements, presented an implementation roadmap, and evaluated a number of leading solutions in the context of the client's needs. The result? A practical, prioritized, ready-to-execute plan for breaking down the company's information silos to ease its people's ability to find, work with, report on, and leverage the information they work with. This is what happens when you do information right. If you agree, then reach me today and let's get you going right now.